looking for a sponsor to book me a room in Luxembourg. I'd like dinner, big breakfast, nice bath. Yeah? Anyone? Please? Coming up to nearly 5 weeks on the road now, I was starting to get tired quite easily and little things really affected my mood. So constantly getting soaked was a challenge when I was riding into Luxembourg. Lovely route, but just a very wet day and hard to keep morale up. Will it stay dry for this country crossing? Come on. I think my face says it all in a lot of these clips, to be honest. No commentary needed. Well, the answer to will it stay dry for my crossing into Luxembourg, the answer is no. It started raining literally after I said that. Just taking cover under the trees, but I'm not getting much cover. Plus, no chance of booking a hotel room in Luxembourg, it's so expensive. I was super late getting going today. It's great staying with friends or like people you get on really well with, but it's not good for hitting the road on time the next day. But you know, it's lovely. It was, yeah. So let's hope it stops raining. It's so much easier when it's sunny. Look, it's really cute down this road. Anyway, I'm not even getting much shelter, I'm soaked already, so... what to do? Saw that little sign, I just thought it looked quite cute. The wooden sign now, it says Effed. I don't know what Effed is, but maybe it'll be somewhere nice, we'll see. If I'm even going through there. I don't even know where I'm going now. Following the map, I know I'm heading to Luxembourg. I'm not far, I've got to be like 5 miles away. And that'll be another country ticked off that I haven't been to before, so that's exciting. Youth hostel, and I think when I get there, even if I can't check in, I might see if I can leave my bike and just go and explore on foot a little bit. It gets a bit draining once you got wet. I think the sun's coming out and I can feel a nice little sun. You're not going to be able to see on camera, but wow, it's an amazing view. And that'll be right over Luxembourg, like in the distance there. You can see over this busy road. Maybe we might get a better view of it, we'll see. So I'm not sure that it ever gets old seeing a sign for a new country, but so this is a youth hostel in Luxembourg. 30 euros a night including breakfast. I've already met the lady who's staying there, that's Rita. She's from Hungary and she's working on the vineyards here, so she's staying here for a week. But look, you get this like nice little outdoor area. I'm really impressed. They've got lovely house plants as well downstairs, like really big ones. Shared shower area and a toilet just down there. So yeah, I mean, for budget accommodation it's not bad, and to be honest I'm just happy just to be inside. When it's raining all the time it just wears you down. The other funny thing here is that basically most of the people checking in, they were all guys, are here with their bikes, like all bike packers, so they've got really good secure bike storage. Touch wood, famous last words. Yeah, so it'll do. I think the food as well, there's a menu, 13 euros for 3 courses, so be getting involved with that. yeah, it'll do. So nice little rural spot, and tomorrow hoping to ride up through Luxembourg. So I'm really looking forward to that, and it's quite nice to have a plan as well. As much as I don't enjoy planning, it's good to have a plan as well sometimes. So yeah, all good. Just walking to breakfast. Hope there's coffee. Slept so well, like super well. Best night's sleep, so cosy, comfy bed. Yeah, let's hope that the breakfast is good. Packed and ready to leave the Luxembourg hostel, but I don't reckon that bit of elastic is gonna hold out. Luckily, when I was at the campsite the other day, I saw this long piece of elastic just left on the floor, and I took it because I thought it could be useful for something. Not quite sure how to strap that up, but yeah, we'll see. Hope it's not going to be an annoying day of like packing and repacking stuff, because yeah, that gets wearing. Got quite a long ride today through Luxembourg, hopefully Luxembourg in a day, so I'm quite excited about that. Yeah, let's go on with it. Chilly start. Cloud hasn't quite lifted here. I'm going up for a bit. Pretty high now. A lot of climbing today. And my legs are tired. Cute. Wow, that is a long straight road. This is a cycle path. This is what cycle paths are like in Luxembourg. Again, super smooth tarmac. Can't believe how smooth the roads are here. Incredible. Coffee time. So lovely sat out here in the sunshine. So nice. Luxembourg is beautiful. Going up. Oh. Lots of back-ended climbing again. Feeling tired today. Looking forward to finishing. I think my body's telling me, I think it knows like I'm near the end and I'm just getting tired. It's got quite a big ride today. Might rethink tomorrow because I've had 3 days of quite big rides. Just want to sleep. Look at the coffee picks me up. Somewhere here will do me fine. So I didn't make it to Belgium, but why kill myself to do that? I'll just camp here and roll over the border tomorrow. It'll be nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna get pitched up. I like Luxembourg. The people are so friendly. I had such a lovely welcome from the lady here, even though she's not open. People are friendly. They're nice. You know, if they see you waiting to cross the street, they stop and let you cross. It's just little things like that. People smile, people say hello. So yeah, I'm happy. Once again, I got my tea cooking. So today we have a wonderful packet soup and pasta and pesto and some fresh herbs that I had from Justine the other day. So yeah, I'll give it a little bit more flavour. So yeah. Okay, so it looks like I am the only person on this campsite. And I tell you, it's going to be a really cold night. It's meant to go down to 5 degrees. So I'm a bit worried about, seeing as I only have my summer sleeping bag with me. I just didn't expect it to get that cold. But Luxembourg's so expensive, I can't afford anything else other than the campsite. So, God. Luckily, I borrowed some socks from my friend Victoria. Victoria, thank you so much for the socks. I've got leggings on, leg warmers, 2 base layers, long sleeve base layer, t-shirt, down jacket, buff, and I'm going to get my other pair of socks and put them on my hands. Just basically anything that I can wear, I'm going to be wearing. Whew, it's not a bit worrying. So yeah, pray for Lucy, please. Making a cup of tea just to keep warm. Oh God, it's gonna be bloody cold. I've just put a jersey on, just to add like an extra layer. Oh my God, this is gonna be so bloody cold, but I don't want to go to bed cold because if we start cold, that's not a great way. Pray for Lucy, please. Oh my goodness, that was a cold night. Yeah, I was borderline like not super cold, like shivering cold, but yeah, it was cold. And now it's dark. I just want to get to the nearest cafe, bakery place and have something to eat and a warm drink, and then I'm going to get on a train because I'm so cold. So yeah, not the plan I hoped for, but I don't care. I just want to get warm, and sitting on a train is quite appealing, but packing my kit up is not, and I've just been sitting here for ages, like not knowing where to start, knowing that it's like 4 degrees outside. Oh God, get me coffee. I think by far that is my worst kit packing. How long that's going to last, I don't know, but oh my goodness, it is so cold. Like, there's no denying that was definitely one cold night's camping. I was so glad to get my kit packed up and get myself to the nearest bakery, and then I hopped onto a train. Yeah, I was on my way home, just a few more days to go and I'd be back in the UK. Just a little bit more cycling and a few more nights sleep and I'd be there.